Our world is heating up. Too much carbon dioxide from human activities is blanketing our planet, causing visible changes like melting glaciers and droughts. We need a solution, fast. Meet carbon sequestration, nature's ingenious way to pull carbon from the air. Trees and plants absorb CO2 as they grow, locking it into their wood and roots. Healthy soils also become powerful carbon stores. Our oceans are massive carbon sinks too. Coastal ecosystems like mangroves and seagrass meadows capture vast amounts of blue carbon, playing a critical role in climate regulation. Beyond nature, human ingenuity is stepping in. Carbon capture and storage technology captures CO2 directly from industrial sources or even the air, then safely stores it deep underground, preventing it from reaching the atmosphere. By harnessing both nature's power and human innovation through carbon sequestration, we can significantly reduce atmospheric CO2. This is a vital step towards a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable future for everyone.